Hello guys from South Africa, welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm in Cape Town. Also have won the title of one of the best cities in the world, and it is absolutely stunning. The landscape, the mountains, the beach, everything is just too beautiful here. And right now the weather is transitioning towards the winter season. So we are in the month of April, but it will keep getting colder in this side of Africa right now. So right behind me, see this Atlantic Ocean, and this is also the nearby area where Indian Ocean and Atlantic Ocean, they meet each other in this part of South Africa. So welcome to Cape Town. Let's start this video. Today we are going to do kind of like a touristic city tour, and you will find out why this town is famous and why it's so beautiful. आप लोग यार इधर देख सकते हैं कि भाई साउथ अफ्रीका में एक प्रॉब्लम तो बहुत ज़्यादा है कि होमलेस लोग बहुत सारे हैं. आप लोग पीछे देख सकते हैं. और एक ये भी प्रॉब्लम है इस देश में, इन साउथ अफ्रीका, दैट weed and drugs are easily available in any street anywhere. So there are so many homeless, drug addicts people, and then the crime happens and government doesn't do anything about it. So anyways guys, welcome to Cape Town. I am in South Africa, Eswatini, Lesotho, already 20 days, but I didn't made so many videos for 20 days, just 6 or 7, which is quite less, but I was not in the mood actually. Look at this view, man. Look at this gorgeous view. This is Cape Town. Wow. Look at this. This is Atlantic Ocean actually, and it's so cold. Actually, no one is swimming. It's so cold. Baridi Sana. But it's gorgeous. It's stunning. Wow. So guys, you all know that I'm in South Africa, Cape Town, and today I'm with a friend, and she's not Indian. Guess where she's from? So she lives here in Cape Town, and I met her. She's friend of one of my friend from Turkey, Mehmet. So that's how we connected. Say salam.
Merhabalar.
Can you tell us how long you live in Cape Town?
1 year.
1 year. So what you do in Cape Town?
I'm tour guide in Cape Town. My company Halal Tour Africa. My Instagram Melek Altunsaray.
Okay. Yeah, so guys, she's doing tour guide for Turkish groups. So if anyone is coming to Cape Town, you can contact her. I'll leave her Instagram in the description. So thank you. So guys, this is Arabic food today. We are eating Arabic bread with hummus and chicken, and these are the juice. So just see right in front of the ocean. This is like the food court area in Cape Town. So you get like pizza, Arabic, juice, smoothie, coffee, everything here. So this is just near the beach area. Beautiful place. And look at these buildings. My goodness. Can you see these buildings? This doesn't look like Africa at all, but this is in Africa. Imagine that. Okay, our boat is here. Where? Guys, see the development. How clean are the streets here in Cape Town? It's crazy. Guys, look at this view. This is so beautiful, so stunning. And Vasco da Gama in 1497, somewhere around that time, he came around Cape of Point. That's like a specific area where he landed, and there is like a board of him. So if I decide to go there, I'll show you surely. But this is Cape Town, guys. We are near Clifton Beach and the views are just too beautiful. Wow. Look at the view from the cliff. Is this real? This is so beautiful. But there is one drawback, that you cannot swim because the ocean is so cold, as this side of Cape Town is like Atlantic Ocean, and then there is another side where there is Indian Ocean. But even Indian Ocean is cold, is not warm. The Indian Ocean another side also cold.
Yes.
Is cold, eh?
Yes.
Not like India, not like Tanzania, not like Maldives. It's cold here. So
Not like Turkey.
yeah, no, like Turkey. So ocean in our areas are very warm, very good, but here just to see, that's it. So today is my first day in Cape Town, first impression, and I'm traveling with a Turkish friend, as you know. So first impression of Cape Town, a very famous touristic city in South Africa. Let's go. This is so beautiful, but you cannot swim. My goodness, this is so pretty. So guys, we came to one cafe and we ordered a dessert here. Look at this. Hello.
Too much.
Too much, yeah? Wow. Guys, look at this. My goodness. It's like 5 scoops of ice cream. But we are going to eat it and finish it off. So in South Africa, these are like American portions. They serve everything like huge. It's crazy. So guys, we are out and about and near Camps Bay. This is one famous tourist beach area in Cape Town. So we just came here and look at the ocean, man. This is so stunning, but no swimming. So Cape Town is all about tourist activities, beaches and fun. So windy today, so windy. See, these are the tourist bus in South Africa that show you around the city tour. If you want, you can take these buses and move around. Camps Bay, so vibrant, no crime here. It's quite peaceful, quite fun. Thank you, Mama. So guys, it's almost about to be evening time and I'm like in the CBD area of Cape Town trying to cross the road. So thank you. Whoa. So guys, it's evening time and I'm back in CBD side. So let's go to find something to buy and pass our time, because now I'm so depressed of South Africa that I really want to leave. Like, it's too much. I have applied for Brazil visa, so even if I don't get the visa, I will just go somewhere, ticket back. So the flights back to India are like expensive right now because the fight with Iran and all those stuff. So it doesn't make much sense to go back India. But hey, I'm so done with South Africa, I swear to God. Even the beautiful Cape Town is not looking beautiful to me anymore. It's like, yo, just basic.
Number 9 in Agari Street. Job Golden 8. Number 9 Agari Street for sure. You can get inside there.
Inside
Just
there.
cross the road.
Okay. Thank you. Whoa, guys, they were helping me to find the store and see. These are like the, I was like, what's that? These are like local market just outside the shopping mall. They are selling stuff, jackets, shoes. So it can be even like thrift and very new, both of it. You can find everything here. So the market area of Cape Town. Interesting. Whoa. Hey. So cool. This is CBD, but it's much safer than Johannesburg CBD. This one is better. So yeah, is Cape Town, guys. It's pretty safe, safer than Joburg, and even CBD is much more happening here. There are more people outside on the streets. Wow, streets of Cape Town. First day in this beautiful city. Guys, good morning. Today is second day but the same video. So I applied Brazil visa and it's already been 10 days. They need some more documents, and one document is very strange that they have asked me, which is they said that we cannot check your bank statement online because this is international bank statement. So I'm like, yes, I am Indian, I am not South African, and in South Africa I am on a tourist visa, so I don't have a bank account in this country. So of course I am giving you Indian international bank statement. What's the problem? So I'm going to the consulate to talk to them and discuss about it. If we get the visa, well and good. If we don't get the visa, then I have to find another country to travel to. So this is like, I'm Indian, of course I'll show you Indian bank statement. And I cannot take out all my money, create a new bank account in South Africa, then show you South African statement. So anyways, guys, this is my life in Cape Town and South Africa. I'm already depressed of South Africa because everything is so planned, just like Western society. There is no raw and natural vibe in the country. Every city has same kind of shopping mall, shopping stores, everything is just too similar. So I'm done. But yeah, let's go. Today is a beautiful day. It's not raining. Praise the Lord. It's not raining, guys. It's not cold. Wow. The first day I came in this city, Cape Town, it was raining and the temperature was so bad. The weather was so bad. भाई तो मैं ब्राज़ील एम्बेसी होके आई हूँ अभी. वो लोग बोलते हैं कि ठीक है, पहले बोलते हैं कि नहीं हमें आपके डॉक्यूमेंट्स ही नहीं मिले. मैंने बोला भाई मिल गए होंगे, मैंने अपलोड करे हैं. तो फिर उसने दोबारा चेक करा, फिर बोलती हाँ ठीक है चलो मिल गए डॉक्यूमेंट्स. ओके, एंड देन बोलती कि ठीक है वी विल गिव यू फीडबैक. So now I don't know how long they are going to take to give feedback, but yeah man, this is my boring life in South Africa, doing literally nothing. So the traffic signals here, I don't understand traffic signs in South Africa. They are crazy. It's always so confusing. I never know that I'm on a right traffic signal or not. Guys, look at this beautiful old church, and they have cafe just outside of the church. I mean, I'm not in the mood right now to go to the church. I'm completely lost, and also I just randomly got one cloth that I think I'll just wear once in a year. So I just wasted some of the money for no reason. And African massage. What is African massage? Wow. Nice. Very near to the hostel, so let's go back. So boring. I'm so bored of this. Every day same shit. Here.
Into bottling and harvesting, everything we do it here at our wine farm. So it says Jonkershoek Valley, so this is the area where the wines are growing. Now for the Pinotage Rosé, this wine spent for 6 months into the stainless steel things, and then the skin contact is for 2 hours.
Guys, we are in South Africa and we are trying the wine. So if you don't know that in South Africa wine is so famous. So it started around like 350 years ago by Europeans and it exists until now. It's like a proper culture. So just like there is wine in Georgia and Italy, there is wine culture in South Africa also. And we are visiting vineyards in Cape Town. Quite interesting. So today this is white wine that I'm going to try. So pretty interesting.
Very nice.
Let's see. It's going to be.
Very nice.
Quite nice, but more spirited than the last one. We tried already one more. This is the second one, but quite nice.
ये
It's
टेस्ट
better
अच्छा
ना?
है
हाँ.
Fancy,
इसको कलर भी बहुत मस्त है गोल्डन
Personally, I prefer white wine over red wine until now, and it's not because white wine is lighter, it's just the preference. I do like whiskey also, which is very strong, but in red wine, I don't like it. I don't know why. But white is pretty good. Lighter, but this one is a little bit spirited, but good.
Thank you. Thank you for. Hey, I'm in charge.
भाई हम लोग लिटरली वाइन यार्ड्स के बीच में जाने वाले हैं, वो भी ट्राम में. सो ये रही टिकट. सो लेट्स गो.
She sounded genuine as well.
क्रेजी भाई, कॉलोनियल टाइम की वाइब्स आ रही हैं लिटरली. वो हम लोग लिटरली अभी ट्रैम में हैं और इतना ओल्ड फैशन वाइब आ रहा है. और ये लोग देखिए भाई, झंडे दिखा रहे हैं रेलवे स्टेशन की तरह. भाई लिटरली यहाँ पे स्टॉप है कि ट्रैफिक के लिए. इमेजिन दैट. दिस इज क्रेजी. आई थिंक दिस इज टोटली फॉर टूरिस्ट, बट दिस इज इनसेन.
But the flavors you can also pick up on the Chardonnay, some kiwi flavors coming through, some lime flavors as well, and some mango flavors also coming through in our Chardonnay as well. And the cheese that is paired with our Chardonnay is called your Camembert cheese. Is there any questions on your side? Guys, ready to dive into the wine?
So guys, we are pairing cheese with wine today. So let's try with this cheese. The first one was so weird. So this cheese is so weird with this wine. But this was good. Now we are trying the third one.